Hello, this is Kelli here. My friend Anna, I'm just going to be doing a little makeover on her. We're just having some coffee this afternoon. Cheers.
Cheers.
We've sanitized everything, just so you know, but I want to put some of the new HD Mineral Foundation Stick on you.
Yes.
Is that all right with you?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So what do you use for makeup right now? What is your go-to?
I use Glo Makeup.
Wow.
Wow.
Awesome. Okay, so these HD foundation sticks are really great because you can keep them in your purse. Super easy, you can blend them. I know this looks kind of dark for you, but I'm going to do a little contouring.
Nice.
Yes. Do you contour at all?
No.
You don't contour? Awesome.
I guess you're going to teach me how to do it
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, contouring is simple. You don't want to think too much about it. We're going to start with a little primer. This top of my hand, just a little bit of primer on your face, and my hands are clean so I can do this. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to go with, let's see, underneath the eyes you want to go a little bit lighter. So I'm going to do you just kind of, want to do some like war paint right here, okay? This actually can go all over your face because it's the perfect color. So now I'm going to take this brush right here and just kind of blend all over your face. And this blends really easily is what I like about it. This also has hyaluronic acid in it, green tea, vitamins A, C, and E. So it's really good for your skin. Okay, look towards me. Awesome. Alright, so we've kind of got the foundation. Now I'm going to go underneath the eye area. I'm going to do, let's do this fresco. See how that's a little bit lighter? You always want to do your lighter ones right there. Okay, yes. Thank you. And this can kind of be like a concealer too. You don't have concealer. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go out on a limb here, and I've chosen this darker color to go underneath your cheekbones, okay? So, just gonna do this. Okay, then I'm gonna go right along here. Okay. And right here. And I'm going to blend this all in. And you want to blend it in pretty soon after you put it on there, so it doesn't, get stuck. Now this looks drastic right now, but I'm going to go back over it and I'm going to soften it up a lot. Good. And when you contour, you just want to go right underneath that cheekbone. since that looks a little dark right here, I'm gonna go take my stick and go back over it. Like so. Just gonna lighten it up a little bit. I put some perfecting powder all over. Just gonna use this brush right here. Just kind of set it in place. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of blush. Just give you some color. You go, when you do blush, you just go a little bit above where you contoured. Yes. Perfect. Alrighty. And voila, you've got just a light look. We can finish it off with some cream shadow sticks if you want to do a light look on the eye. Then we'll just do a little quickie. Right here with some neutrals. I love these cream shadow sticks because you can manipulate them. They just go on really smoothly. There you go. Gorgeous. And I'm just gonna fill in your brow real quick with this precision brow pencil. Just gonna go with the hair strokes. I don't like an overly drawn brow look. I think it just looks ridiculous, but to each their own. If you like that look. Great. Amazing. And there she is. Hold the front door. Let's just do a little bit of lip liner on you. Love this lip liner just because it just helps everything stay in place. Kind of lines the lips a little bit. I like to go overboard with it. There we go. And then we'll finish it off with a little gloss, but I don't have a little gloss thing with me, so we will do that later. And there we go.